Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two crypto wallets. First is SafePal and the second one is Trezor. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and then in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's kick it away with SafePal. SafePal provides a robust and user-friendly platform to secure, store, and conveniently manage digital assets. Also, SafePal offers the first hardware wallet to be backed by Binance. It serves over 2 million users across more than 140 countries, using a variety of unique hardware and software wallets. Plus, assets across several wallets can be paired with a SafePal app. Furthermore, not only does SafePal allow users to secure and manage their crypto, but it also facilitates trading and token swaps. SafePal prides itself on offering competitive prices for a quality hardware wallet product. As the project is based close to Shenzhen, the Silicon Valley of hardware and electronic production, SafePal has a wealth of leading networks and resources. This includes the likes of Samsung, Huawei, and Tencent. SafePal has an unparalleled approach to sourcing high-quality components for its hardware at extremely competitive prices. Instead of making an extra profit for themselves, the team passes on savings to their customers. This is how the project can offer some of the most competitive prices for hardware crypto wallets in the industry. So as you can see, we can check the products. They got three, which like one of it is just the cover, and they straight away wants to sell me their products. And as you can see, SafePal S1 hardware wallet is for $49.99. It's in some kind of sale. And you can also buy a bundles. For example, standard package, which is S1 plus leather case. Hardcore bundle, it's SafePal S1 with the cipher seed. And the third option is Expert's Choice, which is basically all of them combined. As you can see, they are made of premium 304 grade stainless steel. The cipher, I mean, it's fireproof, simple to use, and really you can also unleash it with the app. You don't have to pair it through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You just scan the QR code, and this way it's unhackable, at least not straight away. But let's talk about the Trezor. Trezor is very, well, it's not new to the market, but it's from Czech Republic, so you wouldn't expect that, and it's very, very safe. It's somewhat a small single-purpose computer, and it's designed to protect your private keys from possible online and offline risks. To do this, Trezor keeps the private keys away from the internet and confirms transactions in device. That way you can always check the screen for the right address, amount, and transaction fee before sending your bitcoins, but they are backing like 1,000 and more coins to be safe on Trezor. As you can see, you just can get the app in the Windows. You can't do that in SafePal Crypto. Basically, SafePal works only on your mobile phones, if it's Android or Apple, and then Trezor works only on your PC or desktop. You can change Mac OS, Apple Silicon, Windows 10, Linux, and all of them And also you can buy hardware as well. It's like $60 or $70. We can check it out. You can buy it in the local shop, even in here. And Model T is 228 and Model 1 Black is 63 euros. But this one is obviously the newer, more competitive one with the SafePal flagships. It works like you just connect it to the computer, and even if the computer is infected, you should be able to keep your transactions and or your data on this device secured. As you can see, you can go through all different traveler bundles. They got a lot of things to sell. Well, it's completely up to you guys in which one you would go. I really like Trezor's simplicity, and I like the design of SafePal as well. According to other reviews that I read, Trezor is easier to use and more safer, but I mean both of them are on the highest levels of security. So it's just about which one you prefer. I really like the design of SafePal, and this looks like, and Trezor looks like, I don't know, not from this century, from my point of view at least. So if you have more questions, please leave them under in this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to, and see you on the other video. Goodbye.